So there was a real push for, and almost like a villainization of energy hog buildings. So like, let's tear down all these buildings that are using too much energy and replace them using new materials and entirely new construction, replace them with an energy efficient building, and that was going to solve our problems. And that was partially true at one point when we were more or less powering buildings off of coal. The main problem is that we have really well-intentioned people truly trying to make a positive impact, but we've lost track of what we're actually measuring and why, and gotten really off track. So to bring that back, like, what do we do now, right? So one, let's not tear down buildings unless we have to, right? So maybe it is an energy hog, and maybe that's okay. The design's great, the construction is durable, and we just leave it there. Or maybe it's an energy hog, but there's ways to retrofit it to bring that energy use down in a low carbon, high durability way that also then brings comfort and health to those buildings. And then kind of last resort, which ironically is most of what we're doing, but last resort is building new. And if we're going to build new, we have to do it well. We can't use poor materials with high upfront carbon impact and expect to have a beneficial long-term outcome on the climate crisis.